Okay, so we got this fruit. It's called vusua, or breast milk fruit. Okay, it's a sweet fruit. You gotta like squish it around like this. You roll it around and squish it till it turns all soft. And then you gotta break the stem or pull the stem out, or you can just poke a hole in it somewhere. Let's see if I can pull it with one hand. I don't know if I can, but you pull. Yeah, I don't know about pulling this with one hand. Let me basically have to hold with one hand and pull this out. So give me a second. I'll do that, and I'll be back. All right. So I was pulling it and rotating it, and here you can see it comes out like this, and you have the stem came out. And then usually as you squeeze it, you can see some juice come out. But oh, there you go. See that? So you kind of like suck on it as you're squeezing it, and you can see like the juice comes out, and that's basically how you'd eat it. So you can see all this liquid come out as you squeeze it. So let me give it a taste and tell you how it tastes. It's sweet, somewhat creamy. All right, you can see it comes out like that. If you squeeze it like harder, the pulpy stuff in the inside comes out. You can kind of eat it, but some of it has a more rough texture that's not very pleasant. And then there's seeds in there that you gotta spit out. But yeah, it's pretty good, pretty tasty. Hard to describe the flavor, lightly sweet. My cousin said he thinks it tastes like Asian pear, if you've ever tried that. But yeah, it's hard to describe the flavor, but it tastes really good. Yep. All right. Oh, you can see it. So you just squeeze it, and more of this juice comes out. So that's why they call it like a breast milk fruit. All right. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next one. Bye. Oh, sorry. I forgot to show you what the seeds and stuff looks like. So look, it rips sideways like this. So when you drink it, it has like this pulpy stuff that comes out. You can eat that. Okay. So I can't really do it that way, otherwise it's gonna leak all over my hands and get sticky if I just squeeze it all out. This is what the seed looks like. As you eat, they come out. Okay. Maybe I can rip it open and show you what it looks like inside right now. Give me a second. Alright, so that's what it looks like inside. You can see the individual pods of that stuff. And yeah, you can kind of eat it. I wouldn't eat like the ones on the outside of it where it's like more purple like that. There are green ones that are a little bit less sweet. I think the purple ones taste a bit better. And then the outside instead of purple is like white. So yeah, but pretty tasty. The fruit texture is like somewhat slimy. It's like the, I don't know how you would describe it, like a lychee texture. Lychee or longan kind of texture. But a little bit softer. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and yeah, see you again next time. Bye.